Difference between make versus do with examples. We use make to create some things. We use do with task and activities. Make a cake. Make a cake. Do the dishes. Do the dishes. Make a cup of tea. Make a cup of tea. Do a job. Do a job. Make a sandwich. Make a sandwich. Do exercise. Do exercise. Make breakfast. Make breakfast. Do your homework. Do your homework. Make a profit. Make a profit. Do someone a favor. Do someone a favor. Make a payment. Make a payment. Do a report. Do a report. Make a decision. Make a decision. Do the ironing. Do the ironing. Make a difference. Make a difference. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.